Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to create a new page on Weebly. Just before I show you, if you've never tried Weebly before, if you want to give it a go after watching the video, there's a link to do so in the description for the video. So if you give that a click, that'll take you through then to a free trial version of Weebly that you can give it a go completely for free. So once you've kind of arrived at the website editor, obviously it's quite simple to do so. You can access it from a couple of places on Weebly. Once you select your website from the dashboard, it'll allow you to edit it by selecting the edit button. It'll bring you then to something that looks like this, depending on what kind of template you've selected. And you've got the menu at the top here. So if you select pages, that will then take you through and you'll be able to see all of the pages that currently exist on your website, and here's where you can kind of rename them and navigate and, you know, access some of the basic settings. But you can see that there's a little plus symbol here in the top right hand corner of the pages menu, and if you hit that, then you get a couple of options on what kind of page that you want to create. And we'll just make a standard page for the tutorial purpose, but you can see that you've got a host of options there that will cover most of the bases. You can give that page a title as well, and you can see that there it is, it's being created for us. So once I hit done, you can see that that has now been added to the menu of pages that exist, and that it has also appeared on the menu of the website there as well by default. Using the title that I gave it. Obviously I typed that in capitals, but the font that we've selected for the template at least displays the menu in capitals anyway, so be sure to get the formatting right. If you were to change that font, for example, then that would be all capitals and they wouldn't be, you know, as you can see from the list here on the left. So little things like that make a big difference. And that's it, you know, so as you can see, little plus symbol, and go from there. And that concludes the tutorial. So if you haven't seen Weebly before and you want to give it a go, click that link down below. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of that nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or any suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.